Hello children, we started our first lesson in AVS, Seasons and Clothing. There we learned what is weather and what is a season. When a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, it is called a season. And there I told you there are three main seasons in India, which are the summer, monsoon and winter. Summer, monsoon and winter. Among this, now we are learning summer. Which season we are learning now? Summer. Summer season we are learning now. And see, we have summer in April, May and June. Which are the months we are having summer season? We have summer season during the months of April, May and June. All of you underline April, May and June. The sun shines directly over our head during these months. The sun shines over our head. സൂര്യൻ നമ്മുടെ തലയുടെ മുകളിൽ ആയിരിക്കും എല്ലാ സമയവും ഷൈൻ ചെയ്യുക. This makes the air very warm. It is very hot during this summer season. And summer season is very hot. So we use what we can keep ourselves by wearing loose white cotton clothes. So during summer season we wear cotton clothes to make ourselves cool. And we use fans, coolers and air conditioners in summer. Underline all of you. And as it is very hot during this season, we sweat a lot, so we need to drink plenty of water. So summer season is very hot, so we have to wear cotton clothes and we have to drink plenty of water to keep our body cool. And people like to go to hill stations in summer. In summer, the hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal and all very pleasant, and we can go for a picnic in hill stations. The weather is very pleasant and cool at hill stations during summer. And if it is hot during summer season and we have the feeling to eat too much ice creams and to drink too much cold water, that is not good for our throat. So to avoid having too many soft drinks and too much ice creams, they are harmful for our health. So now we learned about summer. Summer season comes during the months of April, May and June, and we wear cotton clothes to keep our body cool, and we use fans, coolers and air conditioners, and we drink plenty of water. Our next season is which season? Monsoon season. Our next season is monsoon season, and it has another name called rainy season. What is another name? Rainy season. During this season we get rain. And in the monsoon, dark clouds appear in the sky. There is lightning and thunder. Then it rains. We use umbrella, raincoat, gumboots, etc. And we can see a rainbow in the sky. And a rainbow has how many colors? 7 colors are there in a rainbow. And our farmers eagerly wait for the monsoon. Farmers means what? Farmers. Who are farmers? Those who are cultivating crops, that means rice, wheat, maize, vegetables and all this. Those people are called farmers. They are eagerly waiting to get rain because they need water to do farming. So rain provides water for the crops to grow. Crops means rice, wheat, maize, അരി, ഗോതമ്പ്, പച്ചക്കറി, ഇതിനെയൊക്കെ എല്ലാത്തിനെയും നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയും? ക്രോപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയും. മലയാളത്തിൽ വിള അല്ലെ, CROP, ക്രോപ്പ്. സോ കൃഷിക്കാർക്ക് എന്ത് വേണം? വെള്ളം വേണം അല്ലെ, ക്രോപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെടുക്കണമെങ്കിൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഫാമേഴ്സാണ് നമ്മളെക്കാളും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മഴ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫാമേഴ്സ് eagerly wait for the monsoon season. And next, from June to September, cold and wet winds blow from the sea to the land, and these winds carry rain. They are called monsoon. And during the month of June to September, cold and wet winds blow from the sea to land. കടലിൽ നിന്ന് കരയിലേക്ക് കാറ്റ് വീശും. ഇതിനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? മൺസൂൺ വിൻഡ് എന്ന് പറയും. ഈ മൺസൂൺ വിൻഡ് ആണ് the winds carry rain. This monsoon wind brings rain. Then next season is winter season. We have next season, which season? Winter season. And winter season we have during the months of December, January and February. So now we have which season? Winter season. During this season the days are very short. If you observe during these months, you can see the days are short. From 6 p.m. onwards in the evening, 6 o'clock onwards, it gets dark out evening. So short night and nights are long. Cold winds blow during these months. We wear what type of clothes? Woolen clothes. During winter season, woolen clothes. Winter season, woolen clothes. Sweater, monkey cap, all these we wear. During summer season, we wear cotton clothes. During winter season, we wear woolen clothes, and we enjoy hot drinks like tea, coffee and all, and hot food. And some people use room heaters and light small fires to keep warm. In hill stations like Ooty and Kodaikanal, in the room itself they have room heaters and fireplaces. ഊട്ടി, കൊടൈക്കനാൽ, തേക്കടി, അതുപോലുള്ള ഹിമാലയം, അതുപോലുള്ള ഹിൽ സ്റ്റേഷൻസിൽ തണുപ്പുള്ള സ്ഥലത്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും റൂമിൽ ഫയർ പ്ലേസ് ഉണ്ടാകും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റൂം ഹീറ്റർ ഉണ്ടാവും. അത്രയും തണുപ്പായിരിക്കും. Then let us do the multiple choice questions which is given here. That is, people like to go to hill stations in which season? In summer season. And which type of drink we like to have in winter? We like to have hot tea, coffee, etc. So all of you take this tea. Okay. Then besides this summer, monsoon and winter, these are the main 3 seasons. With this, 2 more seasons we have. Which are they? Autumn and spring. Which are the other seasons? Autumn for 1, autumn season and spring season. This is not common in all places. So autumn and spring season. And see this in the months of October and November, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. During October and November, the weather is very pleasant. That is not too much hotness and not too much coldness. That the trees shed their leaves. This is called which season? Autumn season. This is called which season? Autumn season. And autumn season trees shed their leaves means എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? If you are observing now also you can see that is നവംബറും ഡിസംബറും ഇപ്പം ഒക്ടോബറും നവംബറും കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? അപ്പം ചില മരങ്ങൾ മാംഗോ ട്രീ ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഫ്ലെയിം ഓഫ് ദ ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, പൈൻ ട്രീസ്, ഇതെല്ലാം ഇലകൾ പൊഴിക്കും. അപ്പം അതിനെയാണ് ഇലകൾ പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ട്രീസ് അല്ലേ? ആ ഒരു പ്രത്യേക സീസണിൽ they shed their leaves and new green leaves grow in that place. That is that which season they are shedding leaf? During this autumn season. And next we have spring season. Spring season comes in the month of March and mid-April. Also the climate is neither too cold nor too hot. അധികം ചൂടുമില്ല അധികം തണുപ്പില്ലാത്ത ക്ലൈമറ്റ് വരും. And in this spring season flowers bloom and the trees have new leaves during this time, and all the trees look very beautiful and they were full of flowers, and this season is called spring season. Spring സീസണിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ ഊട്ടിയിലൊക്കെ പിക്നിക്ക് പോകുന്നത്. എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അവിടുത്തെ ചെടികളെല്ലാം നല്ല ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും, നിറച്ച് ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ ഡ്യൂറിങ് സ്പ്രിംഗ് സീസൺ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് ബ്ലൂം ആൻഡ് ട്രീസ് ഹാവ് new leaves. So we finished our first lesson. So there are three types of seasons. Which are they? Summer, winter, monsoon. With these three seasons we learned autumn season and spring season. In autumn season some trees shed their leaves, and spring season flowers bloom and trees get new leaves. Okay, so all of you read this lesson today and write and learn the words of this lesson 5 times. Okay.